Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel, for liking, for sharing, for giving lots of love to the channel. I'm really glad that I help you out in some manner, and I will try my level best to deliver all the messages whichever whoever I am getting the messages, I will deliver that. Okay, please check your sunshine, moonshine and Venus sign. Okay, this is your twin flame reading for February 2021. A very happy birthday to all of the Aquarius who are having birthday. So let me know in the comment section if you are having birthday. And on this 14th Feb, even my birthday is coming. So yeah. Very soon my birthday is coming and I'm planning something very special for you all. Let's see what I will plan on my birthday for you. Let's see, I do not know what, but I'm going to plan something special which I will do on 14th Feb. As you know that it is a Valentine Day and it's my birthday too. So let's see what I will do on that day. So yeah, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition, and leave the rest. This is your twin flame reading for February 2021. Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which are important to deliver to my beautiful Aquarius all over the world for twin flame journey. So I just cut my deck and it's like happy. So very soon you are going to very happy Aquarius. So let's see 5 cards from this deck and let's start your twin flame reading. Come to the edge. That means take a leap of faith, full energy, take a leap of faith. And I have already posted one video in which I just done the messages from your twin flame, from your divine masculine. So 1 minute. So in that also I got this message of, wait, I'll show you, leap of faith. So yeah, leap of faith was there in divine masculine energy too, which was not in contact with. So you can have a look on that video too. But because that was a general energy check of divine masculine to divine feminine, but this is the twin flame reading, so this is different. But I'm getting the same message that you have to take a leap of faith, and peace is coming for you, Aquarius. Peace is coming for you. You have to take a leap of faith. You are right now observing and you are co-creating yourself, your life, your journey. Okay, you are observing, you are just observing every single thing and you are co-creating. That means you are using your intuitions. Can you see there is an owl here? You are keeping your strength, you are moving, you're observing and you're moving. Very good. You are co-creating your life, you're co-creating your twin flame journey. Give me one more card. There is something around you which is not for you. Okay, there is something around you which is not for you. And while shuffling also I was getting this not for you. Let me see what is this. Truth to be told. Okay, there is someone around you who will tell you the truth. Okay, either you have to tell the truth to someone, or someone will tell you the truth, and that is not for you. There is something around you which is not for you. Okay, that is not for you. Then there is imagine and loyal heart, bottom of the deck. I'm having blessed again. You are the blessed soul, I told you every time. So this is imagine and this is loyal heart. You are having a loyal heart. You both are having a loyal heart, and do that manifestation. Imagine means that you are creating something, you are manifesting something, and that's beautiful energy that you are manifesting something. What are you manifesting, Aquarius? Either you are manifesting something, or your twin flame, your divine masculine or divine feminine is manifesting, but they are manifesting from the loyal heart. They are the loyal heart here. So yes, there is something which is manifesting here, but there is something on which that is not for you. So these are the messages from this deck. Let's say thank you so much for the messages. Let's see what are the messages for my luck, for my Aquarius. I just said lucky, okay? So yes, you are blessed, you are lucky. Do not worry at all. I do not know why I say that lucky, but yes, Aquarius, you are lucky. If you do not know that, I'm going to tell you. You are very lucky. So yeah, let's see what are the messages. I usually take 5 cards, but I took today more cards. So let's see what are the messages. Wait, what are the messages for Aquarius twin flame journey? Give me the 5 cards for Aquarius twin flame journey. What are the messages? The Rainbow Reviver, Soulmates. Okay, now I got it. Spiritual maturity, 2 more cards. Forgiveness, 1 more. For Aquarius twin flame journey, give me 1 more card which I need to deliver. Give me 1 more. Maturity. Okay. So there is Rainbow Reviver, there is Soulmate here for you. So that is why there is not for you here card. So maybe there is a soulmate which is not for you. Okay. Soulmate can be good, soulmate can be very good, and soulmate can be very bad too. Okay. Then some are karmic soulmates and some are life partner soulmates. Some soulmates stay for lifetime, okay, but some soulmates stay for a particular period of time in your life to make you, to teach you something, and once you learn your lesson, then they went away from your life. So some soulmates are there for a temporary one, so that you can become more mature, okay, so you can become more spiritual maturity. Because of the soulmate, you become, there is a spiritual maturity which is coming for you because of this soulmate. There is a soulmate which is there for you, okay, and because of this soulmate, you're becoming spiritual mature. You just need to forgive here, forgive someone, forgiveness is here, and there is maturity. You're becoming more mature than before. So beautiful cards from this deck. Thank you so much. Let's add some 5 cards. See, harmony is coming for you. Let me see what are the messages for Aquarius twin flame reading. Give me 5 cards for Aquarius twin flame reading. There is moving on, firm foundation, love becomes, the waiting time, and the fertility. I got exact 5. Okay. Okay. So here you are moving on and you are having a firm foundation. Okay, you are moving on in a forward direction here. You are not stopping at all. There is a love begins. There is love which is coming your way. Yeah, my camera was stop recording it. Okay, now. Yeah, so there is love which is begin, and can you see how the number synchronicity is here? That is 1, 2 and 3. So this is the waiting game here which is going on for you. You need to keep your patience. Just waiting game is here, and there is fertility here. That means this is the Empress, this is the you need to wait right now. Love is beginning, love is coming for you. Okay, so just you need to wait right now. Okay, you need to wait. You have already done everything whatever you have to do. You just need to right now wait here. You are rising as an Empress. So that was the message from this deck. Thank you so much. Let's see what are the message for Aquarius twin flame reading. Give me the message. You are the privileged lady here. Okay, let's see 5 cards. What are the Wow, whatever is happening in your life right now, Aquarius, that is going to end. That is death and rebirth. New beginnings are happening. Transformation is taking place. The change is coming for you. See, the change is coming for you. Beautiful. Can you give me two more? I got six, three, and it was the same. See, bottom of the deck, I'm having high honor and high honor, that is success, recognition, victory. So right now, maybe you're having a bad health, maybe. Okay, so there is here the bad health, but do not worry at all. Maybe you are stuck in your mind thoughts, but do not worry at all, because here your someone is having thoughts of you, and they want to get married. Marriage proposal is here. See, I told you the waiting time period is going on right now. Here the waiting period is going on because they are thinking of you. Okay, your twin flame is thinking of you, and they're having a thoughts of you. They're missing you, and they're thinking to get married. Some of you Aquarius are going to get your marriage proposal. Okay, so here is marriage indicated. You will get married very soon to this person. Let me add some more messages. Let me get these cards back so that I can make some space. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some message from the angels answers. Okay, let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius twin flame reading. Give me the 5 messages for Aquarius twin flame reading. Perfect timing, romance. 2 more. No need to worry. 2 more. For Aquarius twin flame reading. 1 more. Give me 1 more. Okay. Bottom of the deck, I'm having a choose a new direction. Okay, you need to choose a new direction. This is a perfect time for romance. You do not need to, no need to worry at all. Your angels is saying that this is a perfect timing. You do not have to worry at all. No need to worry. And this is a perfect time for romance. Romance is coming. As you know that in this deck also I was having love begins. So yes, love begins. Romance is beginning for you. And the next for you is there is a peaceful resolution which is coming for you, and you need to just be assertive. Okay, be assertive. Be assertive. So these are the messages from your angels. Thank you so much, angels, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the twin flame tarot deck. Let's get some messages. Yeah, what are the messages? I just cut my deck and it's just saying I love you. Your counterpart is trying to connect you. It's trying to reach you. I told you they are missing you, Aquarius. They are missing you. They are thinking of you. They're having a thoughts of you basically. They're thinking how to contact Aquarius, how to talk to Aquarius. Okay, so let's see what are the messages for Aquarius twin flame reading. Give me the 5 cards. Give me the 5 messages for Aquarius twin flame reading. Give me 4 more messages for Aquarius twin flame reading. It just fell out. Wait. Okay. So it was awakening, healthy sexuality. Okay, I'm going to read it out later on. Let me get all the message. Spiritual independence. Let me see 2 more cards for Aquarius twin flame reading. The now moment. Give me more. Too many. I want only 1 more. Give me the 1 more card for Aquarius twin flame reading. What are the messages? Too many. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame reading? Give me one more. Just coming out again and again. Okay. Past life power issues. Then there is chasing. And there is new beginnings which are coming for you. Okay, beautiful. There are new beginnings which are coming for you, Aquarius. Okay. So yeah, this is the messages from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. So the first message for you is spiritual independence. Enjoy your independence. Okay, resilience, abundance, optimism, love, happiness and health. So this is the first message, that you are getting your spiritual independence because of this twin flame journey, because you are getting awakened, because you are understanding the meaning of spiritual independence, the meaning of optimism, the love, the happiness, the health, the resilience, you knowing the meaning of these. Then there is awakening. You are finding your higher self. So you are getting awakening, Aquarius. Either your spiritual awakening is happening or your twin flame is awakening right now. So awakening is happening for you. Then there is healthy sexuality, balancing the physical flow of love. So if you are in already some of you, if you are not, if you are already with your twin flame, you have to balance your healthy sexuality, the physical flow of love, because that is also very much necessary. So because that will create, that will balance the physical flow of love. So you need to create healthy sexuality between you and your twin flame. Okay, that should be healthy. Then there is the now moment. Enjoy your journey to attract more positivity. There is no tomorrow, there is no future or yesterday. You do not have to focus on yesterday or tomorrow, you just have to focus on now. So there is now moment, you just need to focus on now, that is live in the present moment. Then there is past life power issues. Fear and conflict stem from the past. And there is chasing. Stop chasing and focus on yourself. So this is a message of someone who is in a chasing form. Maybe you are chasing your twin flame. Okay, so stop chasing. You do not have to chase them. Leave them, let it go, and work on yourself. And because you are in a chasing form, and the more you chase, they will run from you. So do not chase them, stop chasing, and you need to focus on yourself. And why this is happening? Because this is your past life power issue. Fear and conflict stem from the past. Whatever in the past life you both have done, this is why this is happening right now. Okay, but do not worry at all. There are new beginnings which are coming for you. Okay, new doors are opening up for you, Aquarius. Beautiful. I love it. Thank you so much for giving the messages. Let's add some messages from twin flame oracle deck. Let's see, relax and let go. Allow stillness to help you out. See, I told you, you do not have to chase them. You just need to relax and let them go. Okay, let them go, because once you let them go, they will come back, and the more you chase, they will run. So stop chasing. Just you need to focus on yourself and just relax and let them go. Your twin flame is near, drawing each other close. You both are near each other. Okay, you are drawing them close. Any more message for Aquarius twin flame journey? Give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages? Learning and studying. We are bringing information to benefit you. Okay, the universe is saying that they are bringing information which will help you out, which will benefit you. So you need to study and you need to learn that. Then they want to say you, proud of you, reaching out to show appreciation. They are proud of you, how well you have come through this journey till now. So the universe wants to say you that they are proud of you. Any more message for Aquarius? Any more message? attachments or codes. Start anew to open to love. That means again this message is I love you. Your counterpart is trying to reach you. Okay, your counterpart is trying to reach you, and this was the message here. Then there is something is not for your highest good. Think twice. Okay, you need to think twice. There is something which is not for your highest good. Then there is conflict. See, same message is here from this. Fear is stirring up tension in the connection. Whatever connection conflict is there in your twin flame connection, that is because of the past life power issues. Okay, so that's why this conflict is here, because this is the past life power issue. That same messages come from both of the decks. So these are the messages from this deck also. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Thank you. Let's see. Okay, thank you too. And let's see what are the messages from the Divine Energy Oracle deck. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame journey? Give me the 5 messages which I need to deliver. You need to correct your mistakes, Aquarius, and you need to laugh at your demons. Okay, just say no. Say no to negative thoughts. Okay, reflect on your truth. Admit your vulnerabilities. Okay, vulnerabilities. And you need to say no. You need to laugh at your demons and correct your mistakes. Okay, you need to correct your mistakes. So these are the 5 messages from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the messages. Let's add some messages from Life Purpose Oracle deck. Okay, let's see what are the messages. What are the messages for Aquarius? What is the life purpose which you are having in this life journey? I got exact 5 messages. Wow. Thank you. Thank you so much, Divine Universe, Angels, Guides, Spirits, every positive energy to give me the messages which I need to deliver. Thank you. The first message for you is strength. Everything you have experienced in your life has made you strong and courageous. So that's the life purpose which you need to learn, that everything whatever you have learned in your life, that has made you more powerful, more confident than before. Then there is talk to your angels. Instead of worrying, ask for divine guidance. There is always divine guidance which is available for you, Aquarius. You need to talk to your angels. Then there is study, reading, research and education help you gain confidence and clarity about your career. So study is an important part in your life journey. The more you study, you get the clarity about your life, about your career, about the things which you need to know. So study is an important life purpose. Then there is author. You have a book inside of you that wishes to be expressed. Make the time to write it down. Some of you Aquarius can be an author. Some of you Aquarius can be thinking of writing a book. So you can write a book. There is a book inside of you which needs to be expressed. So you can write a book of yours if you are thinking. Then there is light and love. Your purpose is to bring divine healing light and love to the world. Okay, you are here for a reason. I told you in your main reading also, but some of you have not checked that. So I am going to repeat that. You are here on this planet Earth to spread love, light, happiness, peace, harmony, to to raise the frequency and vibrations of planet Earth. So you are the light. So you are here with this reason in this world, Aquarius. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add one card from Power of Activation Oracle deck. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame reading? Okay, I got 2. Ownership. You acknowledge your misdeeds and accomplishments alike and learn to love them as all lessons. Okay, so that's the love message. Then there is cause and effect. You are aware that love you create in your thoughts is an agent of change and foundation of your results. Beautiful. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful message to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add one soul lesson which you need to learn in this February, in this life journey. Let's see what is the soul lesson which Aquarius needs to learn. Give me one soul lesson. Adversity. I accept that challenges are the best way to learn. That's the lesson which you need to learn, the soul lesson. Okay, adversity, that means that I accept that challenges are the best way to learn. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Let's see what you need to surrender. One message from the power of surrender. What is the thing which Aquarius needs to surrender? Okay. Surrender outdated beliefs about yourself, Aquarius. Okay. Let go of limiting ideas about yourself that originate from your past. Then you can only own your power and soar in the light. So you need to surrender. 1212 was the recording reading time. You need to surrender outdated, limited beliefs about yourself. Okay. Surrender them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from your twin flame. That's very interesting. I love this part. So let's see what are the messages from your twin flame, what they want to say. Okay, let's see what are the messages. I'm going to take 5 cards, 5 messages from twin flame. What are the messages from Aquarius twin flame? Please help me out to deliver. What are the messages from Aquarius twin flame? Give me 3 more. 1 more. For Aquarius twin flame reading, give me 1 more card. What is the message from their twin flame? Okay, I got it. Yeah, beautiful messages from your twin flame. So they want to say you that you inspire them. Okay, you inspire me. We will be together again. Okay, we will be together again. I love you infinite. I love you infinite. I'm ready for our new beginnings. So your twin flame is ready for new beginning, Aquarius. They are saying that you both will be together again soon. Very soon you both will be together again. And they want to say you that you love me for what I am. Okay, you accept them as whoever, whatever they are. You do not change them. That's why they love you and they are ready for new beginning. You inspire them, and that's beautiful messages which I got for you. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add 5 more messages from this deck too. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius. Give me the messages for Aquarius twin flame reading. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame to Aquarius? What they want to tell you? Okay. The card was not right. Now it's right. Give me the 5 messages for Aquarius. 3 more. Aquarius twin flame reading. Okay, 1 more. Too many. I need only 1. 1 more message from twin flame to Aquarius. Give me 1 more card. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so your twin flame wants to say you that you are nothing short of my everything. Okay. You are nothing short of my everything. I carry your heart inside my heart. You are my soulmate. I will always belong to you. Okay, so your twin flame, your soulmate wants to tell you that they carry your heart inside their heart. You are my soulmate and I will always belong to you, Aquarius. Then they want to say you that you and me forever and ever are together. Okay. Cuddling with you would be the perfect right about now. They want to cuddle with you right now. Okay, so they're feeling to cuddle. When you see a falling star tonight, make a wish, it will come true, because I wish and I found you, Aquarius. Beautiful, how lovely it is. So these are the messages from your twin flame, whatever they want to tell you. So these are the messages they want to say to you, basically. Okay, they want to tell you that. So now I'm going to tell you that what are the signs which maybe you are dealing with. That can be your twin flame sign. Okay, let me get all the signs first in my hand. Yeah, done. Okay, so let me tell you what are the signs for Aquarius twin flame reading. What are the signs of their twin flames? Let me know what are the signs. Okay. So the signs for your twin flame can be a Pisces. They can be a Pisces. Okay, here the Pisces is here. Then there is a Virgo, so they can be Virgo. Then there is Taurus. Okay. Then they can be a Capricorn. And they can be a Scorpio. Okay. So Virgo, Pisces, Taurus, Capricorn and Scorpio. So these can be the signs of your twin flame. And these were the messages. This was your reading for February 2021. I hope it helped you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love, light and happiness to all my Aquarius wherever you are in the world. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, Aquarius, take care of yourself and see you soon.